Yo, what is good? So today I'm gonna be making a backtesting video. Um, just showing how I trade, how I'd recommend you to pass evals, um, how you can trade XFAs, because I believe I can simplify it like a decent amount. Of course, this is all recycled information that I bet everyone you can go learn anywhere else, but I'd just like to share my insights on it because I believe I have a good amount of trading knowledge as I've been trading for a while now. So yeah, it's just some random day in February. I'm on this Traders Cluster website. It's a little buggy, I've noticed. I just wasn't trying to sign up for FX. I just wasn't trying to sign up for FX replay. Uh, yeah. So let's just go to market open here. Wait, Loki. Let's make sure I'm on. Okay. So I'm PST. I bet majority of people watching this will be EST. So I'll just put in. Here. I'll make some rules here. So if you're looking at the times, it's 3 hours ahead. You're gonna want to trade, or like these are obviously 3 hours behind because it says 6:30, but market opens 9:30, obviously. So I wanna preface some of the important like topics. I feel like some people overlook, majority beginners. Um, and speaking of time, I'd like to really stress time opens, key time opens. So these will be 9:30, 9:45, 10, 10:15, and if you're still in the market, 10:30. Obviously 10:45, but I don't really trade till 10:45 ever. But these are all subtracted by 3 for me, as you can see in this video, because I'm a PST California trader. So these, what you, basically with key time opens, is you want to, majority of the time, you want to be in a trade where it already manipulated for that open of that 15-minute candle, or the 1 hour base for the 10 o'clock, so 7 o'clock for me. This one's probably the most important, is the 7 o'clock one, 10 hour or 10 o'clock one. But you want to be in a spot where you don't get manipulated at this open, and then instead you're basically trading for the distribution leg of this time, right? You're basically betting on the entire candle of the 15-minute to be in the direction where you want it to go, obviously. So boom, key time opens. I want to stress A and B. Now this sounds super like basic, but like I feel like people don't really put it together in their heads. Everything all ICT mentors teach you is all different forms of AMD. It's all AMD though. That's like the original like foundation of everything. The only difference is sometimes people will have you catching the middle of the distribution leg and taking more of a one-to-one heavy risk type, heavy or high win rate type trade. Some people will have you catching the beginning of the distribution leg, so you have a lower win rate, higher RR type trade. And then some people even have you catching the manipulation leg. But most of the time it's a distribution leg. Um that's what you're trying to be catching. That's what I try and catch with my trades. So yeah. 3 we have wait, what? Oh yeah, bias slash DOL. People say don't marry your bias, which is true. You can obviously always switch your bias, but I think having a bias in mind is really important. Not stressed enough. I feel like a lot of the times bias gets overlooked, and like you just sort of are lost looking at the markets. A lot of beginners get lost. Like they're like, do I take shorts here? Do I take longs here? Having a bias is always good. It takes a lot of stress off your shoulders. And drawn liquidity, obviously, probably the most important thing. You gotta know your drawing liquidities. Very important thing for your targets. And yeah, so I guess I'll start trading here. This is just some random day in February. So we just swept out this low. So I'm noticing. Also noticing there is a, oh shit, there is a unmitigated 4 hour gap here. And I'm also going to be trading like I'm going to pass an eval. So hopefully get this balance to 5,300. Might be a little bit of a longer video. That's what I'm a little worried about. Maybe I won't get the entire 3,000, but we'll see. Maybe I'll just risk heavier, I guess. So we just ripped this internal low. That's what I'm looking at right now. This is really gonna play out. My entry's a little bit later, or wait, me just seeing. No, I'll move it here. I mean, yeah, this looks good. See if we break even here. 30-minute. We have this 30-minute here. This 30-minute shouldn't send us lower, but it could because of this fat ass rejection block. So I'm willing to go break even here, yes. Bang. Okay. First trade, a little Judas swing action. So here, oh, I guess I was a little caught in the moment. I didn't really explain myself. Boom. Market open. What did market open decide to do? Sweep this level. There's this fat ass 4-hour gap right here. And then the leg that took it out gets reswapped at market open. So here we have, on the 1-minute time frame, we have accumulation in the form of barcode, obviously. Then we have manipulation down, sweep it out, and then boom. Distribution to our drawn liquidity. My entry is a little bit later than I probably would have liked, but it's fine. I just wanted extra confirmation. It's a little sketch, but it's whatever. Yeah, no, wait, what was it? Oh, yeah. I was about to say, so then this is at 6:30, one of my key time frames I mentioned, or 9:30, I guess, on the EST. So basically what happened here, if you look on the 15-minute, we wanted this to be the low of the 15-minute, and then our trade was the candle forming, and I just really want to stress this because I feel like people overlook this a lot. Like, this is really all trading is you're sort of like quote unquote predicting the how the 15-minute candle is gonna look most of the time if you're trading like scalpish trades, basically. So this website's a little glitchy. It like lags back the time, but it's okay. For the most part, it's good. It's just the issue is you can't go back in time really a couple years on this. Like, I was trying to trade like 2024, you can't do that. You can only trade 2025, so, or 2026. Okay, so we're very choppy on the 4-hour. We have like a daily volume imbalance right here. But we did just inverse this to the upside, so I think we're bullish on the day, which makes it a little strange. We have previous day high right here. Got edged, so let's see what happens here. So we actually immediately swept this. I'd be kind of surprised if this gap right here doesn't hold. Uh, okay, we're going lower. Makes sense. We're selling off of this. I'm not taking that. Okay, this is a 30-second at least, but I don't have a. This might be an immediate break even, but I'm willing to take the chance. So boom. what do I want to say here? Oh yeah. So here, if this is a little bit of a distribution. If we distribute to this level that I don't want to target, and I said I want price to react off of it, you do not take the first inverse. You do not take this. You need a little bit more accumulation to take. Boom. Waiting for that. So we have and here we have stop hunt. So hopefully this trade plays out. Obviously it could lose, but we'll see. Boom. Hopefully we do not get wicked out. If I was on a funded, I would rock my stop loss like here, but it's for the stats, I guess. Boom. Boom. Next trade, banger, obviously. So what time did I take my trade at? So look, I took my trade at 6. I want to stress this, 6:47, right? This is perfect for the 15-minute open manipulation. The thing is though, I didn't even know that I didn't actually even look at the time, but like that's just further confluence. The structure just looks so good to me that of course I'm gonna take it. But yeah, look at that, 6:45. Boom, 6:45 manipulated into this stop hunt. See, if you took this trade, it would have been at, what time is it? 6:43. So this is a perfect case of you trading at risk of getting manipulated out, which is exactly what happened. Boom. And if you look on the 15-minute, this is that wick being formed. So it's perfect, and yeah, little banger trade. It's tough. Boom, let's go to the next day. There's no there's no next day option on this website, but it's okay. See, look, it adjusted my time too. Like that's so insane. Boom, 6:30. I'm trying to just make trading a little bit more simplified. I feel like people overcomplicate it all the time. Okay, we skipped a little bit into market open, but immediately I noticed we took out this high, session high. And it looks like we're selling off of it. So this, I think this actually would have been a trade that I probably would have taken, but there's no 30-second time frame. Also, I skipped into the day, so that's a little unfortunate. So let's see what happens, bro. Oh wait. I don't really know what price wants to do here. We react off this 15 maybe. We tap both these 15s. It's a little weird of a trading day. The trade though here would have been this short. I'm willing to bet this is a 30-second IFEG. And then boom, trade down the here. But obviously I missed it, so now we're looking for who knows what. Disrupt this low. What time is it? 6:40, 6:57. There's obviously the case we just sell off now. To this 4-hour low. Okay, I don't really like anything. A little choppy of a day. I'm just gonna fade it. But the trade would have been that market open Judah swing. I was just not paying attention at all. This is definitely easily trade of the day. It's probably like a 15-second IFEG or at least a 30. I mean, at least a 15. Probably a 30 though. I think I just skipped a little bit into market open. Not which one. Okay. So we have these 4-hour highs here. We're choppy, but we're in bullish market structure here. We're selling, or we're buying off of this leg sweep. Immediately we're shorting, so we might go for some of this LRL. I can see that happening. Oh, because we have a decent trend line right here. Oh. I'm not really loving anything though. So yeah. And we go for these lows. Which is what I said would happen. See if we get a retrace, I guess, to this level. Oh shit. I kind of want a deeper retrace than that. Yeah. Okay, so I didn't really like any of the draws, really. But I did, obviously, remember I said it was probably going to go for these lows, but we're also in a mega premium, I guess that's why we didn't get longs that day, but I'll just fade it. If I don't love everything, just fade it. You know what I'm saying? Just like that, just fade it, you'll be chilling. I've noticed it's actually harder to fade trades when you're backtesting versus with currency, which I mean makes sense, but okay. Boom, 4-hour gap. So I immediately you see this very nice draw on liquidity here. Like boom, I want to take. We just swept previous day low. So wait, when did we sweep it? Like a while ago. Okay. Wait, never mind. Boom. We swept it. We've been sweeping it a little bit. We swept this 15-minute low. In very bear or bullish market structure. I might take this 5-minute inverse, is what I'm looking at right now. What time is it? Okay, we're gonna sell off of it instead. There's no inverses here. If we're gonna decide to be bearish on the day, it is what it is. Bruh. Most insane sell-off ever. Okay. What time is it? Yeah, retrace. Bow. What am I targeting for? What? 4-hour edge? This is a little unfortunate. Or this is just gonna take the draw. We're too late in the day, so I guess this is a no trade day. A little unfortunate. Let's go next here. Bro, I wish there's a next day option on this website though. That's a low key. The only issue. Let me go here. Okay, let's not skip into market open this time. Wow. Okay. Immediately, what do we do here? Craziest sell-off of all time. Classic. Targeting some of these lows. Looks like. Boom. 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 Looks like we're going to all-time lows. We have this daily gap though. So drawn liquidity does win in that sense, but we're extremely bearish here. Are we going to that low though? Like, I feel like we aren't. I'm gonna take this. Targeting, what am I targeting here? It's 15. Is there no fives? There is a five right here. Oh shit. I think we break even at this five, like pretty quick here. Boom, break even. Now let's hope this runs to TP. Let me get clear some of this clutter. Okay. Bang. So, okay, maybe I shouldn't have cleared that, but my trade looked like this. Boom. Targeting, I think it was, where was it? Right here. Wow. That's my trade. Pretty banger trade. Pretty textbook distribution. Caught the distribution, like, pretty perfect. What time is it? 6:47 again. Very key time to trade because the 15 opens. Yeah. Let's go next day. Let's just run up this balance. Like, actually. Oh yeah, my drawn liquidity bias was bullish, which is why I took longs, even though we had a massive sell-off. So yeah, the draw was just better than whatever was for sell side. Okay, boom. Obviously, if you're trading an eval, you'd probably be risking more. But if you're a beginner, maybe I'd suggest not risking more. Okay, the 4 hour just broke. We have to refresh here. Oh, what the fuck? Bow. Okay, I don't know why that was there. So we just swept this low. I believe that was a daily low. Previous day low, swept. Boom. What do we have for buys? We have these highs. Oh shit. We're kind of choppy, which is a little weird, but I mean, we just swept out this mega low right here, so see what market open has in store. Immediately sweep those a lot. Wait, where are we going? Oh shit. Okay. Oh, this is a 4 hour gap up here. Very small, but it's there. See if we get a retrace. Retrace into this massive 5 minute. I'm willing to bet this is gonna hold. Okay, obviously not. Then that was a little surprising. Where are we going, bro? And realize the market was just shitting itself at this time period. Let's see. Am I gonna take this? Like now I'm a little I'm questioning this trade a little bit. No, I'm not. I don't want to break even. Okay. Rejection block tap here. 5 minute. This is probably a 30-second IFEG. Take this. Probably break even when this high gets swept. Okay, well I didn't break even. Didn't stick to my rules. Okay, but boom, look at this. Rejection block trade, first rejection block trade of the day, I guess. That's how it goes. If I took this, it would have been, I don't think I would have, if I took this trade right here, I don't think I would have gone 1-to-1, maybe. Yeah, so no 1-to-1 here. Instead, we sold off of the 5 minute, and then I waited for confirmation that we weren't going lower. Boom, took my entry finally. Pretty textbook. Very textbook, actually. Let's go on to next day. I will pass this fake eval. Trading very low risk. Obviously, like I said, if you're actually going to be trading evals, you probably should risk a little bit heavier so you're not wasting hella time on evals. Eval jail is like the worst thing to be in like ever. Just FYI. I hate trading evals. Even an entire year into trading, I hate it so much. Here we go. Bow. So what are we? Okay, 4 hour immediately gap top right here. Bow. We have a daily gap above. I'm wanting longs based on drawn liquidity. We are inversing bearish though. A little sus, but it's whatever. This is the most long of all time. This is a 30-second at least. A little bit of a late entry though. We have this 15-minute gap up here. I'm just gonna 1-to-1 it. It's probably gonna break even, unfortunately. Wait, what? What is happening? Okay, there, boom. Break even. Please don't stall me out. Wait, I'm gonna move this a little bit lower. No way. Okay. I was about to say. So break even trade there. Kind of surprised we're not going to this daily gap though. Maybe I'll take another trade. Okay, nice. No entry. It's whatever. A little pissed about that break even, but I like to break even a lot because that's how I feel like you should trade with IFVGs. I'm gonna go to the next win here because I should have gotten that Judas swing. I would have had enough. I would have got that balance. So my balance would have been AKA, or my balance would have been Mach 5300 or 53,000. Okay. 1 hour gap. We just swept this. 1 hour low. You have some lows to sell side though, and obviously we have this 4 hour gap. So see what happens here. This is a protected low. We don't have to sweep it. I might just take this. What time is it? 6:42 and I'm around. Okay, I'm gonna take it. We're selling off of something higher time frame. Failing to sweep that low. I think I take this. I'll break even there since we traded above this high and closed above it. Bow. Boom. Last trade. Oh, this is actually high RR. So 5,300. I would have had like maybe 53,700 with the that one Judas swing I missed. But yeah, boom, eval pass. It's just that simple. Let me know if you want more backtesting videos. I low-key like backtesting a lot. It's low-key fun. Yeah. Maybe I'll get FX replay if I'm gonna make another one. But yeah. So pretty banger. No losses. We took like I don't even know how much. We took like maybe 3 break evens. The rest were wins. It's pretty perfect. Maybe 2 break evens, 3 break evens. Trade's beautiful, and yeah.